There's a real challenge out there in terms of getting good citizen input and feedback into the planning and design process around regeneration and around new development projects. The traditional methods out there have historically been market research, formalised public consultation, questionnaires, surveys and the like, but none of these is perfect. We've been exploring the use of big data around sensors, around mobile phones and getting information on transport or movement patterns on energy, but we'd very much like to explore how we can get better citizen input from the bottom up to combine with those data sources to really get a much more responsive approach to planning, which can really reflect behaviours and preferences and what citizens are looking for in terms of the future of places. We're really excited about the prospect, and we like a collaborative approach to our projects. So the opportunity to work with a startup or an SME is really about the creative process and to bring alternative perspectives and insights which we can link up with our own experts and teams to really generate some new solutions. Atkins is one of the most respected companies in terms of design and engineering. We're known for our planning and our work with cities and developers around the country. So we can bring some in-depth technical insight and knowledge of working with these types of users, which can be combined with the expertise that the partners can bring to develop some new solutions. So we very much like the multidisciplinary and collaborative approach in projects, and the idea of involving a startup and an SME can really provide a new perspective in terms of the solutions which can be developed. We're seeing expertise around data analytics, around visualization platforms and around gaming. So these could be some of the opportunities and markets to develop some of the new tools and platforms out there. In terms of the hints and tips I'd really offer to applicants, one issue is really around having a robust solution. So the platform or the solution offered has really got to help support policy decisions or investment decisions from either the public sector perspective or from the perspective of developers and landowners. So that could be provided by the tool or the platform itself, or by combining other sources of data. The second tip is really about engagement. It's really got to engage the public. So the real challenge has been that there's been a lack of engagement, involvement of a wide section of the community. So people have got to be able to trust the platform and be encouraged to use the platform and share their data. So thinking around how to handle those issues and develop something that's really going to engage people is the other thing to think about, I'd say. Within Atkins, we have an innovation network already, and we've been sharing the challenge to get people's thoughts and ideas as to the end users and the places around the country that we could potentially pilot the challenge. We're very much excited to work alongside IC Tomorrow, Innovate UK on the challenge. We've seen from previous collaborations that it can be a really good way of surfacing some new ideas and actually getting them taken up in practice. So there's potential for the demonstrator and pilot really to be something that can be replicated and scaled more widely if it all goes well.